It started as a scientific triumph. For years, humanity had played with the idea of bringing back extinct species, the woolly mammoth, the saber-toothed tiger, the dodo. Then, one day, it finally happened. A breakthrough. Gene editing technology reached a point where any extinct creature could be resurrected. At first, it was controlled. Labs in the United States, China, and Europe created mammoths for Arctic repopulation, engineered giant ground sloths for rainforest restoration, and even revived long-lost species of fish and birds to rebalance ecosystems. The world celebrated the victory. But nature does not negotiate. As the technology improved, geneticists pushed the limits. Species that had been extinct for tens of thousands of years were resurrected, creatures that had no place in the modern world. Ancient superpredators, immune to today's diseases, stronger, faster, more resilient than anything we had left. Ecosystems collapsed as these apex hunters tore through unprepared prey. Then came the pathogens. Alongside the animals, bacteria and viruses frozen in time for millennia were unleashed. Scientists had assumed they would be harmless, relics of a bygone era. They were wrong. The modern world had no immunity to these ancient plagues. Cities fell as mysterious fevers spread like wildfire, killing millions before anyone even understood what they were. Humanity had conquered extinction, but it hadn't stopped to think. What if extinction was nature's way of keeping balance? And then, the final mistake. In their excitement, geneticists resurrected something older than mammoths, older than dinosaurs, something human. The first Neanderthal was born in a lab in Eastern Europe, then a second, then an entire group. They weren't just relics of the past, they were stronger than us, faster than us, more adapted to survival than we ever were. And they weren't alone. Other subspecies of human, Denisovans, Homo erectus, even creatures from before written history, were reborn. But they weren't created to be exhibits or scientific specimens. They had minds of their own. At first, they lived alongside us. But as society crumbled from the plagues, the super-predators, the ecological collapse, they thrived. As humans fled the burning cities, the resurrected stepped in to claim what was left. By the time we realized it, we were the ones going extinct. This wasn't an invasion, it wasn't a war, it wasn't a rebellion, it was simply nature correcting a mistake. Humanity had been dominant for thousands of years, but we were only ever one species among many. We had erased others. We had rewritten nature. And in the end, nature erased us back.